The holiday season this year is going to be really hectic, so you need to make shopping at your online store easy and enjoyable. Creating customizable gift bundles or packages not only makes gift giving more fun, but it also helps boost your sales. Let's jump into how you can add that option on your website this year. In order to sell gift bundles in your online store, you'll need to set the products up individually first. So go into Catalog, click Products, and then click Add New Product. You can set up a bundle in a few different ways, but this season we suggest the customizable option. If you'd like to learn other ways of bundling, you can contact us anytime at support@bookmark.com. So let's get back to the customizable option. To set up this bundle, select a product and then select Options. Select Add New Option, name the bundle, and make sure the input tag is selected as Checklist. From there, add the products and prices you'd like as an option for the customizable bundle, and then save, as always. Easy, right? Here's an example of how it looks on your online store. If you followed these instructions, then you should be all set and ready to have customers customize their own gift bundles. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Happy holidays!